Hello Techie, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solution. Today I want to teach you the Python as the fastest way as possible and in a more practical way. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon. Today I am going to cover the built-in data type topics. Okay, let's start with that. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variable can store of different data types and different types can do different things. Python has the following data type built in by default. In this category, we start with text type. Text type is basically the string. Okay, just ignore the error. Other the numeric type. A numeric type basically cover integer, float, complex. Next is sequence type. In the sequence type basically we cover list, tuples, range. Okay. Now we'll go with mapping type. In mapping types we cover dictionary. Now we'll go with set types. In the set type we have set and frozen set. Now we have boolean type. Boolean types we have boolean. Now we have binary types. In binary types we have bytes. We have byte array. We have memory view. Okay. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Approx 7 data types we have in the Python. Let's go with one by one with an example. Okay. Let's start with string data types. Hello Python. Enter. How we know the type of this string, type of this variable, print. Type is an inbuilt function in the Python. X, close parenthesis, enter. We see this is class string. Now we'll go with integer data type. X equal to 25, enter. Print type of X, close parenthesis, enter. We'll get the integer types. Okay. Now we'll go with float. X equal 20.5, enter. Print of type of X, close. This is float data types. Okay. Now we'll go with complex data type. 1J, enter. Print type of X, close parenthesis, enter. Complex data type. Now we'll go with list. Apple, mama, cherry, enter. Print of type of X, close parenthesis, we'll get the list data type. Now we'll go with tuples. Tuple we use the same thing as a list, but instead of bracket we will use parenthesis. Okay. Banana, cherry, close parenthesis, enter. Print of type of X. Okay, we'll get tuples. Now we'll go with range. X equal to range of 6 10 enter print of type of x range. Okay, now we'll go with the dictionary. In the dictionary we are going to use curly braces with key value pairs. Okay, name, comma, another variable, another key, age, enter print of type of dictionary. We'll get dictionary data types. Okay, key value pair, key is name, value is Sam, key is a, value is t. Okay, now we'll go with set. In the set we also used the curly braces, but we don't have key value pair like set print of x, sorry, print of type of x. Okay, you get a set. Now we'll go with frozen set. Frozen set, same thing, open parenthesis, open curly braces with double quote, well, banana, cherry, close, enter, print of x type x. Okay, this is frozen set. Now we'll go with boolean. Okay, if you are going to use true, it will take as a variable. If you are going to enter, it will give you error. Okay, s equal to false, f caps camel case, print of type x bytes, print of, sorry, x equal to b hello, print type bytes. Now we'll go with bytes array, x byte array of 10, print type of x byte array. Now we'll go with memory view. Memory view of bytes 5, print of type of x. Okay, we'll get all the variables, right, of the different data types and with the examples. Okay, I will explain just like a printf, just like a list, dictionary, tuples and bytes, all the things with another video with more details. Okay, if you really enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. So I am very curious if you guys try to do this. If you do, please comment below. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching my video. I am going to post every single day to more video. So if you want to continue watching, just subscribe the below button